Unlocking English, Mastering Suffixes. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into a vital part of English vocabulary: suffixes. By understanding suffixes, you can expand your vocabulary and enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning or to form a new word. It's an essential part of English language structure that helps you understand the nuances of words. An example is the word happiness. Here, ness is the suffix which changes the adjective happy into the noun happiness. Suffixes in English generally fall into two categories: derivational suffixes and inflectional suffixes. Derivational suffixes create a new word with a new meaning. For instance, when we add -er to teach, we get teacher, which is a person who teaches. Inflectional suffixes, on the other hand, do not change the core meaning of the word but indicate aspects like tense, number, or possession. For instance, adding ed to walk results in walked, which shows the action occurred in the past. Understanding suffixes can significantly improve your language skills, but it's important to know how to use them correctly. The first thing to remember is that not all suffixes can be added to all base words. The compatibility depends on the word's etymology, its grammatical role, and sometimes even pronunciation. For example, we can add able to love to form lovable, but we cannot add able to happiness. Secondly, some suffixes might change the spelling of the original word. For example, when y is added to rain, we double the last letter and get rainy. Let's take a look at some common suffixes and their meanings. 1. Full, full of. Example, hopeful. 2. Less, without. Example, hopeless. 3. Ness, state or quality. Example, kindness. 4. Meant, action or process. Example, management. 5. Ion, action or process. Example, celebration. Remember, recognizing these can help you guess the meanings of new words you encounter. That's it for today's lesson on suffixes. We hope you now have a stronger understanding of suffixes and how they can change word meanings and forms. With some practice, you'll be able to use them effectively to enhance your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to mastering any language is persistence and practice. Until next time, happy learning!